Okay, so I wiped it already. You can see the back side, the front side, with the blades. I think this lens is a OM lens, Olympus lens. Because it fits into the thing. Then yeah, it should be Olympus. It's an Olympus lens mount, but Cosina brand. So show you the blades. Let me do manual focus. Okay, so these are blades. So blades from behind. Okay, so we're gonna do a shine test. See if there's any organic growth within the lens. It looks okay. Okay, so we'll give you a control sample. This is a Yongno 51.8. So okay, this is a new lens, so I assume this lens is okay. But just to show you what it looks like lah. Okay, so you get a comparison, and this is the Cosina 135 f2.8. Thanks everyone.